Let's take a look at this problem. We want to solve and graph the solution set. Now this is a linear inequality because it's the first power, and of course you got an inequality symbol of some sort. Now our steps for solving a linear inequality. We got our note at the top. It says at any step combine like terms and combine numbers. Step 1. Get rid of parentheses, and you do this via the distributive property. Step 2, get rid of fractions. We multiply everything by the LCM of all the denominators. Step 3, get everything with an X on the left side, numbers on the right side. Step 4, divide both sides by the number in front of the X. And we got a note. It says if you multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, then you're going to flip the inequality symbol. Now, I wrote this in terms of x's. Step 3, get everything with x on the left side, numbers on the right side. But you can have any variable. And when I say everything, I'm talking about terms. So we're getting all of our variable terms on the left side, constant terms on the right side. Step 4, divide both sides by the number in front of the x. That's coefficient. So let's take a look at this problem now. So we've got negative 2 times 3z minus 5 is less than or equal to 2z minus 14. Step 1, get rid of parentheses. Now, distributive property, we take the numbers in front of the parentheses and we'll multiply it times all the terms inside. So we'll take negative 2 times 3z, and we'll take negative 2 times negative 5. Negative 2 times 3z is negative 6z. Negative 2 times negative 5 is 10. Is less than or equal to 2z minus 14. Step 2 is get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Step 3. Get everything with a z on the left side, numbers on the right side. So I'll take this 2z and move it over to the left side. Then I'll take this 10 and move it over to the right side. When you move anything across your inequality symbol, remember the sign changes. So the positive 2z becomes a negative 2z. The positive 10 becomes a negative 10. Combine together like terms in any step. Like terms, same variable, the same power. So these are like terms. And you do that by adding or subtracting numbers in front. Negative 6, negative 2 gives us negative 8z. And combine numbers. Negative 14, negative 10 is negative 24. Step 4. Divide both sides by a number in front of your z. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 8. Now since we're dividing both sides by a negative number, we're going to flip our inequality symbol. Less than or equal to becomes a greater than or equal to. So we've got z is greater than or equal to 3. Now for our graph, greater than or equal to, if there's a line underneath, like right here, then that means it includes that value. So we put a bracket for includes. And it's greater than, so we're shading to the right. And that would be our graph.